Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Unwiring Tech. I'm your host Ranjana and I have my co-host Amrita with me. Today, we are diving into something really interesting. What do Indian parliamentarians think of AI? We have got some fascinating insights from a report by IGPP. So let's kick things off. The AI ecosystem has so many players: tech companies, researchers, everyday users, and many others. But one of the most crucial players is the government. They are like the ultimate enabler, right, Amrita?
Totally, Ranjana. The government sets the stage by crafting policies, providing funding, and creating an environment that encourages innovation. But they also have to make sure things are ethical and safe. So it's a pretty big job.
It really is. So, with the objective to understand their level of awareness, perception, expectations, and regulatory preferences, the IGPP team surveyed 37 Indian parliamentarians. We found out that 86% of them knew the basics of what AI is, and 95% of them knew about its everyday applications like voice assistants and social media recommendation algorithms.
That's so good so far. But here's where it gets interesting. A huge 89% didn't understand how AI models actually work. And more than 60% didn't know the role data plays in AI systems. That's despite the new Digital Person Data Protection Act that was just passed last year.
It's kind of surprising, right? It shows that while they are aware of AI at the surface, there is a lot they are missing underneath. And this lack of deep understanding can lead to misconceptions.
Exactly. For instance, many parliamentarians have a negative view of AI's impact on society, mainly because of things like deepfakes and misinformation that keep making rounds in the news and other media. They think AI knows more about us than we do, which isn't exactly true. AI only knows what we feed it, although it can make pretty accurate predictions.
Right. And that's partly why there is this fear around AI. And this perception directs towards a journalistic framing of technology where most of the AI's image is being portrayed by media. But here is a silver lining. They also believe that AI can drive economic growth and innovation.
That's a big positive. And the report shows that there's a strong call for comprehensive AI regulation. Parliamentarians want centralized oversight over the technology. They are looking for clear and consistent rules.
And they are also keen to learn more about AI, which is a great sign. They want to engage more deeply with the technology. This means that they are open to understanding AI's potential while also being mindful of its risk.
Absolutely, Ranjana. This kind of engagement is crucial. It ensures that AI development is not just advanced but also socially responsible. Collaboration between different stakeholders, like AI experts, the tech industries, and the parliamentarians, is key.
Exactly. The government's proactive role, combined with informed parliamentary oversight, can create an AI ecosystem that benefits everyone. By tackling issues like data protection and ethical AI usage, we can harness AI full potential while minimizing its risk. Well, that's all for today's episode. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this conversation, make sure to subscribe for more insights into the world of technology and innovation. And don't forget to check out our full report. The link is in the caption. Thank you for listening.
Thanks, everyone. Stay curious and stay informed.